Hi all and welcome to your channel. So in this video I wasn't prepared today. I was up at Stanley Park taking photographs with my camera that I just got back from being converted to infrared, which I'll put the photographs on at the end so you can see the images that I got. It's a very good addition to my cameras now that I've got, so the photographs bit I'll be on at the end of this. Anyway, while I was up there, there was a lift going on, so I obviously didn't have my drone with me. Also had with my phone, and I didn't even have my gimbal for my phone, so the footage is a bit shaky. It went on for a while, so I've sped this up so it'll look even more shakier. But yeah, I caught the lift going on, so I just thought I'd catch it going into place before I cracked on with what else I was doing. Yeah, there's a few other lads up there as well. So Paul Frost is up there, so if you go over to his channel, he had his drone up. I'm not sure if it's on yet, his footage, but he had his drone, he had his video camera with him. So he was doing a bit of footage, and there's a new YouTuber called City Walks UK. He hasn't got very many subscribers, so I don't know. I just thought I'd give him a mention to try and give him a little boost. He's trying to do different things around Liverpool with his YouTube channel, so yeah. If there's anyone that new that starts, I always give them a little watch to see what they like and what they're doing. So yeah, just go over, check his channels. City Walks UK is called. So he was there, I had a little chat to him. Yeah, so as I was mainly doing photography today, I haven't done my Monday video with the drone today, so I'm going to do that tomorrow, Tuesday, which is a good time really, because that span will be in place by then. And well, it's in place now, but I mean bolted in. And yeah, I'll have some footage of how it all looks now. So I'll get that done tomorrow morning, and have that on tomorrow night. Well, tomorrow afternoon probably at some point. The only thing about these lifts is it's a very slow process watching it getting lifted into place. So that's why I sped the video up. It was a bit more prepared. I'd have done a time lapse on it, but I just didn't have the equipment with me. I could have done a handheld time lapse, but as you can see, it was wobbly anyway. My arm was aching, holding my phone up. So yeah, so I just thought I'd film it and then speed it up in editing. But it was interesting to watch the guys in the cherry picker, pulling and tugging it and making sure it was staying, right, because obviously the wind must have some effect on it, blowing it round and making it twist and stuff. And then the guy got hoisted up on the hoisted up by the crane, which I don't think I had like that height. But yeah, it was interesting to watch. It was just slow. Yeah, so I didn't want to take too much time filming this, because as I say, there's only so much you can watch of it before it starts getting boring. So I filmed it for a little bit longer, and then I switched to the side. You can see here where it was getting pulled onto the front of the truss, and it was good to get this because this is an angle I haven't seen before. So it was getting pulled in, and it's obviously going to get all bolted in and everything there. But it was it was quite quiet around the side. There's no one here. Oh yeah, it was good. As you see, it's all well sped up. Them cherry pickers are going up and down really fast. Yeah, it's just interesting to watch. And again, I didn't want to spend a lot of time filming this because the main reason for being there was to get me photographs done, which at the end I'm going to put a few on so you can all see what this infrared sensor looks like. And then I filmed the concrete terracing that's on the floor ready to be lifted up. So I hope you all enjoyed this. It's just a little bit of a different look at it, and the photos will be any second now for you to all have a look at. I'd like some feedback on the photographs as well, if you don't mind. Speak to you soon.